Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Bluetooth headset to your TCL Smart TV. So if you want to connect the Bluetooth headset, what you can do is on your Smart TV, you can simply go to the top right corner and go to settings. And from here on, you can go to the remote and accessories. So in the remote and accessories, you can go to add accessory. And here on your headset, you can just turn them on. And if there's a pairing mode, you can put them in the pairing mode as well. So for me, there's this button to turn them on. So I'm just going to turn my headset on. And then I'm going to select OK. Now, as you can see, it is showing me the device. I can simply click OK on my remote to start pairing. And then it is going to show that the pairing request for this, and I can just click pair. Now my device is paired with my TCL Smart TV. So this is how you pair your Bluetooth speakers or Bluetooth headset with your TCL Smart TV. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.